So guys, we have come to this Gaushala after our lunch, and it's a very cool place to come because you can see many cows here and you can feed them with grass and jaggery, and they have a special kind of diet which is called lapsi, and you can see some cow dung which is a very good manure and fertilizer, and we are all going to feed some cow. So guys, we are at the cow shelter now and you can see all these cows are waiting for us to feed them with all the food, and there's a small baby calf here and she looks so cute. You can see all these cows. She's so cute. So guys, my dad is feeding all the cows with some grass and they look so excited to have food. They are so cute. खड़ा खा रहा है ज़्यादा है नीचे रखे There are so many cute cows. These cows even have the serial number so you can recognize the cow, and it's on their ears, the yellow tag, you can see them, and they have all the numbers. They are having so much fun. It gives me great joy to come here, and we always go to the very religious place for that is Nathdwara, and they have many such cow shelters or Gaushalas as it's called, and it gives me so much pleasure and so much happiness feeding these innocent animals here with grass and jaggery. They love jaggery. Like I have such a good luck that whenever I go to a cow shelter, like I get good news that a small calf is born just 1 or 2 days before, and I get to touch them. But the mother cow is very protective of its calf, so you have to be very careful of them. You see the happiness. Such innocent eyes. But if you try to come very close to them, they might give you the horn and it would hurt very badly. You can see Ketan Masa is petting the small calf. I just love this. And my mom is having so much fun feeding all these small cows or calves. This is so cute. I have so much good company, and it is the holiest animal in my religion, and Lord Krishna used to come and sit with them, and it's his favorite animal. The milk is very pure and it's a very holy animal for all Hindus. How can you not love these cute faces? And the excited one who wants to just jump out. I feel so pity when I see this one because this cow is blind from both eyes. It's a very cute cow and I love the color of her horns. She's very cute. She looks like a small pony by shape, and so is her tail. So guys, my dad is with the caretakers and they take very good care of the cow. You can see all the cows look very happy because they get so much grass over here. Some of the cows don't give milk, but even then they can stay here because it's like a non-profit organization where cows can stay, and they are very happy doing this job, guys. And everywhere you see there are small cow dungs and they might use them to burn fire or cook food, which is a very great kind of a fuel, biofuel. Cute. So we are done feeding all the cows, and it was a very good experience coming here. Like I came here for the first time, but I have been to many others. Gaushalas in the home where all these caretakers stay. And you can see behind me there is a play area for children, and this is my cousin's Jay's car, and that one is my car. This is a very nice place which I might visit soon if I come to Nasik. I came to Nasik like after 4 years, and this is a very fun trip so far. So yeah guys. So after the Gaushala, me and my family and my like relatives have come here to the bank of the river Godavari, and this river used to have a lot of water flowing, and I think the water flow has stopped right now because of the COVID time. There's so less water in the river right now. It is all dried up, and it is a little contaminated too because the ashes of all the people who are burnt are put in the rivers, as you know. So we are going to the main bank of the Godavari, so let's go guys. So guys, this yellow building you see is where people come here to pray for the happiness and peace of their loved ones who have passed away. And you can see this river, it is really contaminated, and some people are swimming back there. This is a very holy river, and this is the Godavari river. This is very beautiful to see our old heritage. This is a very holy river for all Hindus, and you can't see many people because the COVID lockdown hasn't ended. Otherwise all these places are all filled with people. You can even see shops who sell boxes so you can collect this holy water, but this is very dirty to collect.